to my channel. In today's video we are doing, as you can tell by thumbnail or title of the video, we're doing a Ulta haul! Yay! One of these did not come from Ulta, which is the Blending Full. This one, I had it like a few weeks now, but I never used it until now. I only use the big one, don't judge me, I haven't cleaned it yet. I just used literally just did my makeup with this, okay? So don't judge me, it's dirty. Look at the front, look at the back side. The back side looks nice and clean. I actually kind of love it. Like, my makeup looks really nice. I used it for the pore filler primer. I also used it for my concealer and my foundation. And I gotta say, my makeup looks pretty good. And I also use this for powder to, like, you know, set my bake and whatnot. But I love it. She is definitely right. You could use this for like so many things. I literally use just every corner for like a different thing, like she showed in her video. And it's pretty awesome. Some of these things I use on my makeup today, which, you know, I'll let you know. But some of them I didn't get to use because I forgot about it. Okay. Ooh, the first thing I have is this brow definer stylist from L'Oreal, which I didn't use. Oh my god, I'm so mad. Why didn't I use that for my brow today? Ooh, I don't know if you could see that, but it looks super black. Well, at least to me. No. It's actually perfect. I'm kind of mad that I didn't use this on my brows today, guys. Oh my god, I forgot to introduce myself. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shemaine. And if it's your first time here, welcome. I do videos on mostly makeup stuff because I love makeup. And I'm trying to get fit, you know? I do have micro-bladed brows, but I still like them to look darker than they are because when I put on a whole face, not half a face, but a full face of makeup, like, I don't know, I just feel like my brows need to be darker. But it is just me. The next thing we have, guys, is, I'm just gonna pull stuff out like a freaking hat in a box. I mean, something from a box. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Okay, anyways, I got this Catrice and Iman. Oh, Live What You Love. I like that. Blush palette. And I did use, I believe, this one for my blush today. I did it like very lightly because it is super pigmented. That last time I used it, it kind of looked a little crazy, but you know, that's the risk you run when you're trying out makeup and you don't know how like pigmented it is. I am using my new BoxyCharm blush brush and I freaking love it. Like, it just makes my blush like so smooth. Next we have Ulta Juice Infused Oil in Sweet Rose. I did not use this. Why? I don't know why. But I'm gonna open her up right now. I gotta say, my lips do feel really juicy right now though. I mean, they look juicy and they feel juicy. Next we have, which I didn't try today because I tried on this other one, which I'm gonna show you a little bit. The Candid Revlon foundation. And I don't know even if it's my right color, but I did not use it today. So this is the foundation that I used today, the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. Lasts up to 24 hours. Mattifying and second skin effect. Okay, when I put this on, I didn't think that it was very mattifying. I thought it was very dewy for me. Oh my god, I thought it said full coverage, but it just says HD liquid coverage. But I did have to layer it up twice to hide my like dark spots on my face. But I like it. I'm gonna keep using it, okay? Next we have is, these are Ardell Demi USBs that I was gonna use with my look, but I felt like my eye look is so dramatic right now that it called for a more dramatic lash, and this was not. Okay, so this bronzer by Revolution is the one that I used for my face today. I kind of have it on my forehead, but I tried to put something over it because I kind of don't like the shiny forehead look, but you know, to each their own if you like that thing. I mean, it's nice. Very sheeny, which I like for my cheeks, but not for my forehead. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. And I also got this Ulta mattifying primer. As you can tell, I like matte, or I like to be matte. This is what I used on my face today. And even with this primer, and I used that foundation, the Catrice foundation, it was still not matte for me. I don't know, maybe I'm just wanting it to be too matte. Next we have the Oh So Great Morphe setting spray, which I used to set my face today. I love it because it's just continuous, and I don't know, it smells so good. I sprayed this, like it just made all my makeup like sink into my skin. Now all my makeup is just put together. So this next one is the Minani Conceal and Perfect Long Wearing Concealer, which I must say took me a million years to open, guys. Like, I asked my husband to open it, I asked my cousin to open it, and they could not open it, okay? I'm digging it. I like it. I like my under eyes, the way it looks very brightening, and I can't see my eyes, like the dark areas, because sometimes when I use a concealer, I could still tell, like, I feel like the hollows of my eyes, you could still see it, and it's dark, but this is a very full coverage, and I love it. Next one I have is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I got another concealer because I think I got the e.l.f. one time, but it was not my color. But I'll probably use this later on. Oof. Another concealer. What am I trying to conceal, guys? I have like concealers. But I know this one is like highly rated. I feel like every time Tati talks about something, like I just want to get it. Next I got these two lip liners from Ulta, the Ulta brand. And oh, I got it in two colors, and this first one is in Spice, which is what I'm wearing on my face, which is such a pretty color. I love it. I love it. I used that, and then I put, what is this? This Milani I Am Smart lipstick in the middle. And I got another one, which is not open yet, so I'm gonna open it right now, guys. Right now I'm gonna open this if I can. Who likes my singing? You know what? I always ask my husband if he likes my singing, and he says yes. But he's also my husband, and it's like, is he gonna tell me no, right? So this one is in Rosewood. Ooh, this one's a little bit reddish and pinkish. Alright guys, we are almost down to the last. So this is the color Tattoo in Socialite. It is such a pretty color. Like, such a pretty color. So this is from Maybelline. I actually used my BoxyCharm Iconic London eyeshadow palette for my eyes, and then I realized that I had this, and I was like, oh crap. So I tried to put it on top, but it didn't show up as much as I wanted to. And I also got this Catrice Prime and Fine mattifying powder, because I feel like my face is always getting oily, and I need to mattify it like all the time. Well, not all the time, but like sometimes. So, and I don't have another mattifying like on the go kind of thing, so that's why I got this. Hopefully it's good, and hopefully it mattifies the crap out of my face. This is the Flower Blush Drop in Pinched. I didn't get to use it. I wanted to because I saw that the Blendiful was really good with like cream blushes, and I totally forgot, and I set my whole face already with the powder. Oh shoot, where's that powder that I got with it too? Sorry guys. I'm like, I keep forgetting stuff and it's not good. Okay, set my face with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I got mine in translucent, and I used this to set my face, and I baked with it, and I really liked it. I think my makeup looks really nice after I set it with this, so yay for this. Yeah, that's why I forgot about this, because I got so excited about setting my face and baking. Next, we have this Flower Bomb Petal Lip Mask that I got and didn't use. Oh, and I got it in Pucker. Feels very nice and feels very hydrating. There's like a little bit of a sheen color, but not really. I'd probably use this as like an everyday lip balm kind of thing. I also got some bath stuff. And this fill-in powder, which I'm going to try right now. Okay, so first of all, let me show you my bath stuff. I got this Sugar Hut Shea body scrub because you guys know how much I like my body scrubs. Oh my god, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it from the freaking camera. Can they have like scented like videos come out soon? Because I'm all for it. And then I got another one, which is the lychee and plum, which I already know I love because I'm currently almost out of the one I'm using. Ah, it smells so good. And then I got this fill-in powder because I swear everybody talks about getting it a lot. Well, not this specific one, but like a powder to like fill in your spots up here. And it comes with, what is this? A black, oh, this is like black. I think it's for your grays. And then you're supposed to, is there like a directions on here? And then you're supposed to brush it out maybe with this. Ooh, it's a spoolie with black. Yeah. Maybe you're supposed to spool your hair with it. Spool your hair, is that even a word? I don't know. Anyways, it comes with this powder. Ooh, fill-in powder. I'm gonna try it on my roots right now and see. Oh, and it also comes with a brush. Man, this thing comes with everything. Do you guys see a difference? I think I do see a difference. Okay, what do we all think? Is it a winner or what? My hair does look thicker in the viewfinder. I can dig it. I wanted to really use it for like when I, put my hair up and I have like these spots like right there that I want to like cover up. But yeah, so exciting, right guys? Now I know what everybody was like talking about when they said you needed one. I don't know, I almost put that on my face. That's kind of bad. Whew. I felt like I really talked fast in my video. Let me know if I did, so I could, adjust myself. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of my little Ulta haul. I certainly did. Well, comment down below on what you guys are most excited about. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Bye guys.